Binasura ng Pasig City Regional Trial Court Branch 159 ang hirit na hospital arrest ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Yan ang kinumpirma ng abogado ni Kibuloy na si Attorney Israelito Torion. Nauna rito hiniling ng kanyang kampo na ma-hospital arrest siya upang higit naman mabantayan ang kalusugan ng 74 na taong gulang na si Kibuloy. Ayon kay Torion, sinabi ng korte na kung magkakaroon man ng health emergency si Kibuloy, ay mayroon namang General Hospital sa loob mismo ng Campo Crame. Sa gitna nito, sinabi ni Torion na maghahain sila ng motion for reconsideration.
Denied lang yung Veterans Memorial at saka yung Davao, hindi naman kami nag-ask ng Davao Hospital. Yung sa amin, Veterans Memorial Hospital or if allowed, Medical City because that has been his hospital for quite a time already. So we will try to file an MR and prove to the court, of course, we will try, no, that this is the recommendation of his doctors.
Ang